My name is Lily. I am a girl. I am 10 years old. I live in a small house. The house is in a quiet village. The village has green trees and a blue river. I live with my mother and my father. My mother is Anna. My father is Tom. We are a happy family. Every morning I wake up. The sun comes in the window. Birds sing outside. Mother makes tea. Father reads the newspaper. We eat bread together. Mother says, "Good morning, Lily." I say, "Good morning, Mother." Father smiles. He says, "Good morning." I go to school. The school is near. I walk with my friends. We play and learn. After school, I come home. Mother cooks food. Father comes from work. We eat dinner. We talk. We laugh. The house feels warm. I feel happy. One rainy day, I stay home. Rain hits the windows. The sky is gray. Mother and father go to the shop. I am alone in the house. I walk from room to room. I go upstairs. There is an old room. The old room has many boxes. Dust is on the boxes. I open one box. Inside, I see old clothes. I open another box. Inside, I see papers and photos. I take one photo. The photo is old. In the photo, I see my mother. Mother is young. She holds a small baby. A man stands next to her. The man is not my father. I look at the photo for a long time. I feel strange. Who is the baby? Who is the man? I put the photo in my pocket. I close the box. Mother and father come home. They bring food. We eat. I say nothing about the photo. At night, I look at the photo again. I feel confused. I think, Mother has a secret. The next day I go to school, but I think of the photo all day. After school, I come home. Mother is in the kitchen. She cooks soup. I say, "Mother, can I ask something?" Mother says, "Yes, Lily." I say, "Did you have a baby before me?" Mother stops. Her face changes. She says, "Why do you ask?" I say, "I just wonder." Mother looks away. She says, "Eat your soup now." I feel more confused. In the evening, Father comes home. We eat. The house is quiet. I go to my room. I look at the photo. The baby has big eyes. The man has a kind face. Days pass. Every day I think of the secret. I look for more boxes. I find another photo. In this photo, Mother stands with a young woman. They smile. They hold hands. I hide the photos under my bed. One sunny morning, I ask Father. I say, "Father, who is the man in the old photos?" Father looks surprised. He says, "What photos?" I show him one photo. Father is quiet for a long time. He says, "Ask your mother." I feel sad. The family has a secret. No one tells me. I go to the garden. The garden has red flowers and yellow flowers. I sit under the tree. Soft wind moves the leaves. Birds sing. But I do not feel happy. Mother comes to the garden. She sits next to me. She says, "Lily, you found the photos." I say, sad, "Yes. Who is the baby? Who is the man?" Mother takes a deep breath. She says, "It is a family secret." "I will tell you." I listen carefully. Mother says, "Long ago I had a sister. Her name is Sarah. Sarah is the young woman in the photo. The man is Sarah's husband. The baby is their child. The child is my niece. Her name is Emma. I look at Mother. I say, "Where are they now?" Mother's eyes become wet. She says, "Many years ago, we had a big fight. Sarah left the village. She went far away. We did not talk again. I keep the photos. I miss her every day. I feel surprised. I say, 'You have a sister? I have an aunt?' Mother says, 'Yes. It is our family secret. I did not tell you because it makes me sad.' Father comes to the garden. He sits with us. He says, 'I know the secret too. We wanted to tell you when you were older. I feel many things.' I feel sad for Mother. I feel curious. I want to know more. I say, 'Can we find Aunt Sarah?' Mother looks at Father. Father says, 'Maybe. We can try.' The next days are different. Mother opens more boxes. She shows me more photos. Photos of Sarah as a girl, photos of the family long ago, photos of the baby, Emma. Mother tells stories. She says, 'Sarah and I played by the river. We ran in the fields. We laughed a lot.' I listen. I see Mother smile and cry at the same time. We look for old letters. In one box, we find a letter. The letter has an address in a town far away. Father says, 'This is an old address. Maybe Sarah still lives there.' We write a letter. Mother writes slow and careful. She writes, 'Dear Sarah, I miss you. Please write back. Your sister, Anna.' We send the letter. We wait. Days pass. No letter comes. I go to school. I come home. I ask, 'Any letter?' Mother says, 'Not today.' 1 week later, a letter comes. Mother opens it with shaking hands. The letter is from Sarah. Sarah writes, 'Dear Anna, I am happy to hear from you. I live in the same town. Emma is grown now. Please come visit.' Mother cries happy tears. Father hugs her. I jump with joy. We plan a trip. We pack bags. We take the bus. The bus is long. We see fields and trees and small houses. At last we arrive in the town. The town is bigger than our village. We walk to the address. We knock on the door. A woman opens the door. She has the same eyes as Mother. Mother says, 'Sarah?' The woman says, 'Anna?' They hug for a long time. They cry. They laugh. A young woman comes. She is Emma. Emma is my cousin. She smiles at me. Sarah says, 'This is Emma.' Mother says, 'This is Lily, my daughter.' We go inside. The house is warm. We sit and talk for many hours. Sarah tells her story. She says, 'I was angry long ago. I left. I was wrong. I missed you every day.' Mother says, 'I was angry too. I am sorry. I kept the secret. Now the secret is open.' Emma and I play outside. We talk. We become friends fast. Father and Sarah's husband talk too. In the evening, we eat together. The food is good. The talk is soft and happy. We stay for 3 days. We walk in the town. We see shops and parks. We take new photos, all of us together. On the last day, Sarah says, 'Please come again.' We are family, Mother says, happy. Yes, no more secrets. We stay close now. We go home on the bus. I sit next to Mother. I hold her hand. Back in our village, the house feels different. It feels bigger. It feels full of new love. Mary, the neighbor, comes. We tell her the story. She is happy for us. Lucky? We have no dog, but the flowers in the garden seem brighter. Days pass. Letters come often from Sarah and Emma. Sometimes they visit us. Sometimes we visit them. I learn more about the family. I learn that secrets can hurt, but open talk can heal. One evening, we sit in the garden. The sky is pink. Birds sing. Soft wind moves the leaves. Mother says, grateful, "Lily, thank you for finding the photos. The secret is gone now." I say, cheerful, "I am happy. We have more family." Father smiles. He says, content, "Family is better with no secrets." I feel warm inside. The village is quiet and green. The river moves slowly. The house is full of talk and smiles. We had a family secret. The secret made Mother sad. The secret made me confused. But now the secret is open. We forgive. We love. We are a bigger family. Secrets can end. Family can grow. Love can stay. I am Lily. I have a mother, a father, an aunt, and a cousin. Peaceful. We are happy together.